Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to measure and reduce your travel footprint using the Skyscanner app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, you have to open the Skyscanner app, and in the Skyscanner app at the profile section, you are going to see all these tabs, and you have to tap on the Your Trips tab, and you will find your travel footprint at the sustainability section, the last one on this tab. And when you tap on it, this list is going to show you the whole travel footprint that you have created while traveling, obviously using the Skyscanner app. So this is a very good way to measure and maybe be more conscientious and reduce your travel footprint, knowing how much you consume. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye bye.